So we are supposed to have the storm tomorrow. It will start to come tomorrow, maybe tonight. They're saying that the hurricane could reach up to category 5. If it does, we are in the middle of the state, so we will end up probably getting a category 3 once it hits land. And that's still very strong, so we are preparing a little bit more this time around for Milton than we did for Helene. Helene we didn't really have the effects of Helene, but they're saying that Disney World and all that, where it's like an hour away from us, is going to get hit by the storm. They're saying it's going to be bad over there. So yeah, today is just preparation day for this storm. Tampa, I see Tampa, people are going crazy. There's tons of people trying to evacuate from Tampa, and I've heard that there's a lot of gas station that has run out of gas, or gasoline, I should say. So yeah, it's crazy here. Not here where I live, but in Tampa.